What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So right here today, I've got this load of scrap right here. I'm gonna get loaded up on this trailer right here that we just got through restoring. It would be nice if I had a excavator with a thumb on it, but I don't have one. I have a tractor with a hay fork on it. So we're gonna do what we got to do. There's all kind of stuff mixed in this pile right here. There's cinder blocks, dirt, metal, tires and wheels, wood, plastic, all kind of stuff that was left over from building my shop, as well as working on different projects, and just all kind of stuff in here. So we're gonna have to kind of pick through. It's gonna take a little while, but I'm gonna set you guys up over here and let you hang out with me, and we'll see if we can get some of this stuff loaded up. Alright guys, I've got most of the heavy stuff on there. I left a gap between the sides, and that way I can still put my boards on there that I'm going to get my side boards, because I don't want any stuff falling off. I mean, it would be okay, but I'm not going to take no chances. I don't want this stuff, you know, getting loose, falling out in the road and tearing up somebody's car or hurting somebody. So I should have went ahead and picked them up the other day when I got the boards for the floor, but I didn't, because they were more expensive there. So anyway, got to get that done. Like I say, left the gap on both sides. Got a little bit more weight on this side of the trailer than the other side, but I think it'll be okay. Like I say, I've got most of the heavy stuff out of here. There's still some stuff that I need to pick up and load, but it's getting dark out here, and I don't know how many of those copper-headed rattle moccasins is, you know, in this pile. So I'm going to call it a day, and we'll start back on it whenever I get a little bit more time and the store's open, so that I can get the boards for the sides of that I'm going to put on there. And I think I may separate out, I've got several aluminum radiators here. I think they pay a little bit more. I may separate that out. I've got a water heater back there I got to get. I don't know, I may go ahead and put that on this load, or it may go on another load. I've got some more scrap in a different location that'll have to be going too, but for right now I'm just trying to get this pile here that I have beside the shop, and get it all picked up. All right guys, it is raining ice pellets today. I can't find a load, so I'm off work. I was going to go get some boards, but it's either go get boards, spend all day doing that, and time I get them on there, or I'm going to haul this load of scrap. So I'm going to haul a load of scrap. I got some chains and stuff on there, got everything bound down where I think we'll be all right. And so I'm going to ease down to the scrap yard and see if we can get this off here. We got a pretty decent load. I think there's about 5,000 pounds on there or so. I still got some junk here, but it's mostly wood and waste, and I'm keeping that piece of I-beam right there. I might can use that for something one of these days. All right guys, well, we made it back. Everything went well. Trailer pulled good. Got everything off of there. Didn't damage nothing. Still got a little bit of dirt on there, but no big deal. It's raining. Still got a big mess to clean up. Not sure what I'm gonna do with all that. We had 5,060 pounds is what I had. The hay cutter and the water heater was a different, the rest of it was short iron. The hay cutter was long iron, which paid less, and then the water heater was considered tin, which pays less, so they had to separate that out, and I had to weigh 2 different times. Anyway, they got that sorted out, but 5,060 pounds. I told you guys it was about 5,000 pounds. I'm not even going to tell you how I knew that already, but if you hit the like button and you subscribe if you're not already, I will share that with you in an upcoming video, and we'll talk a little bit about that. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'm getting wet. Subscribe if you're not already. We'll see you guys in the next video.